To manage your Afterpay payments effectively, it is essential to understand the step-by-step guide to Afterpay due dates. Afterpay is a service that allows you to pay for your purchases in 4 installments, due every 2 weeks. First, you need to make a purchase using Afterpay, either online or in-store. You will be required to create an account and link a payment method, such as a debit or credit card. Once you have made a purchase, you will receive an email from Afterpay with the payment schedule. The payment schedule will outline the amount of each installment and the due date for each payment. On the due date, Afterpay will automatically deduct the installment amount from your linked payment method. If you do not have sufficient funds in your account, you will be charged a late fee. To avoid late fees, it is crucial to ensure that you have sufficient funds in your account on the due date. You can also make a payment early by logging into your Afterpay account and selecting the payment you want to make. If you are having trouble making a payment, you can contact Afterpay customer service for assistance. They may be able to provide a payment plan or temporarily pause your payments. It is also important to keep track of your payments and due dates. You can do this by logging into your Afterpay account or checking your email for payment reminders. By following these steps and understanding how Afterpay due dates work, you can avoid late fees and manage your payments effectively. It is essential to be responsible and make timely payments to maintain a good relationship with Afterpay and avoid any negative impact on your credit score. In summary, making on-time payments with Afterpay is straightforward, as long as you understand the payment schedule and due dates, and ensure you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the payments. By doing so, you can enjoy the benefits of using Afterpay while maintaining a healthy financial relationship.